Well, it's finally go time, guys. George Farm's first organic corn crop harvested. It's been about 3 years of paperwork to get the certification done. And man, look at this corn. This is nicer than the stuff we usually spray. So what a blessing. Let me know what you guys think this is yielding. Well, this dump and one more, we should have a nice semi-load that Dad can take to the mill. The mill for this organic corn, I guess it's a factory, is about an hour drive. So that's why we got a second trailer. I'll be working out here while he's gone, hopefully. Should work out good time-wise. Next trailer will be a lot closer. Just parked it up here to open the field up. It's our first day of the, harvesting, so I'm still trying to get it all figured out. Had a few breakdowns. But look at this corn. For being organic, I mean, like I said, that's probably better than some of the stuff in the past we sprayed with chemicals. And this is organic. This was soybeans last year, organic soybeans, but man, what a good job. I'll show you guys this old girl dumping. Yeah, we're building up, we're kind of a smaller operation, so this is going really good for us.